Every entrepreneur's fantasy is this. They're sleeping, peacefully sleeping, and they wake up and there's money in their bank account. Literally, like a business owner's dream is making money while they sleep. Passive income, passive income. Everyone's trying to do that. Heck, even if you're not an entrepreneur, people are like, oh my gosh, let me flip a house, let me rent out an Airbnb, because they want to make money with the least amount of effort. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how stylists can make money in their sleep. Before we do, my name is Lauren Messiah. I am a stylist. I am the author of the book Style Therapy and founder of Style Boss Academy, the online business school for stylists. So how do you make money while you sleep? How do you make passive income? Passive income takes effort to set up. So I think people get lost in this fantasy of like, ooh, I want to make money while I sleep. Let me just write an ebook and then just sell that book, like easy. No, so many different things need to be set up on the back end, like testing, all of these things. We can't get into all the dirty details in this video, but I just want to let you know that passive income doesn't start off passive. We can definitely start thinking about ways that we can make money that don't take as much of our own energy. So if you're a personal stylist, the way that you make money is typically working one-on-one with a client. And it's kind of hard to multiply yourself. There's only a certain amount of clients you can take. There's only a certain amount that you can charge without being completely unreasonable to your client base. So we want to think about ways that we can make more money using our skill, using our talent without using ourselves. So here's some ways you can do that if you are a stylist. First way is to create an online course. Online courses are great because you do all of the work of developing the course. And again, this is the non-passive part. You have to think of the course, you have to develop the course, you have to shoot the course, you have to create the workbooks, you have to promote the course, you have to get proof that the course works. All that is a lot of work. But once you get all that stuff down, then you have the lessons. They're pre-recorded and you can continue to sell them over and over and over again. So one of the things that I did when I wanted to start scaling my personal styling business and move away from taking individual in-person styling clients is I created a program called Personal Style University. Personal Style University taught women how to do what I would do for them, for themselves. So I would teach them how to develop their style, create a mood board, create a plan to go shopping, how to shop, how to put outfits together, how to style things, how to take care of the clothes, how to merchandise, like everything. Anything I would do for them, I taught them how to do it themselves. So that took a lot of work on the front end, but then I didn't have to do anything again. Eventually, I did shoot an updated version of it because, with time, things get outdated or you want to upgrade them. But I have had hundreds of people go through that program, and it didn't take me teaching anything live over and over and over again. So now online courses are a huge part of my business, both for styling and both for educating aspiring stylists through my program, Style Boss Academy. So it's something that you might want to think about as a stylist. If you have a method that you use on your clients, that maybe you want to turn that lesson into a pre-recorded online course that you can sell again and again and again, and set up different funnels through online marketing to be like, ooh, out of the blue, someone just bought my course. Cool. I just made $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000, however much you charge, or $100. We're not getting into the pricing, but you get the point. Surprise, money out of the blue and you don't have to do anything. Next way that you can make money while you sleep if you're a stylist is to build a membership course. So I did this in my business because I had people who took my course, Personal Style University, and they were like, we want more. We want to learn more about the inner work. We want to learn more about the books you read. And we want access to you to ask you tips and blah, 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 blah. So I said, okay, I'm going to come up with a membership, which is Style Confidence Collective. It's still in motion. Personal Style University, Style Confidence Collective. You can go to my website. You can see them. You can sign up for them if you want to. So the great thing about a membership site is it provides reoccurring revenue. So if you have, 10 members paying, $10 a month, it's like, cool, every month you're getting this like extra $100 or whatever it is. And the more members you have, the more you charge, the more money you're getting while you sleep. Now, again, passive income's never as passive as we think. You still have to show up for your community, create content, engage with them. You have to build it, but it's not you shopping and styling for your clients. You still get to serve many people at once. That's why I love my course and the membership site. I have hundreds of clients, styling clients at the same exact time. It's amazing. Next way you can make money while you sleep as a stylist is to write a book. This was my first experiment in business of doing like passive income. I wrote an ebook. I promoted it right here on my YouTube channel years ago when I first started it. My book was like $12.97. It was called The Book of Style. And I would promote it in my YouTube videos. And, you'd just be out walking your dog and you'd be like, oh my God, 3 people bought my book. Like, oh my God, somebody bought my book. Oh my God, I was sleeping. Someone bought my book. So the non-passive part is you have to write the book, you have to create the book, and you have to make sure that you're properly promoting the book. With any of these things, a course, a membership, a book, even in-person styling services, it is not a case of if I build it, they will come. They ain't coming unless you're going to market it and promote it. But the point is you don't have to make extra effort. If someone's like, I want to learn from you, you don't have to be like, all right, let's sit down and get on Zoom and talk about it. You're like, buy my book. All the info's right there. And if you're lucky and you work hard, your book could be turned into like a real book that's sold in bookstores like mine. I started off with my ebook, The Book of Style. Then I created a workbook called The Style Solution, and publishers saw the magic of those books and said, can you write us a new book that kind of combines those things together and combine some of your online challenges that you do, and we're going to publish your book. So Style Therapy is available wherever books are sold. Go into Barnes & Noble right now, and you will see my book on the shelf. So this started as an initiative to be like, how can I spread the joy of Lauren as a stylist without taking on an individual client? And it turned into something really cool, like having a book. Another way that you can make money while you sleep is to monetize your content. So content is really important for any business owner, whether you're a stylist or anything else. You have to create value for your audience. You have to show that you know your stuff and know what you're talking about. So creating content on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, you can monetize that. I get I'm not getting rich off of it, but I have ads set up on the YouTube videos and I get money for that. Like if I post a reel on Instagram, they're like, do you want to monetize this? We'll pay you to create content. So if you already have to do it for your business, which spoiler alert, you have to create content for your business, you can monetize that. You can get so good, like some of my students, at creating content that brands are like, we'll pay you to create content. We'll pay you. Fashion brands are like, we'll pay you if you talk about this purse in a video. So this is, again, a more passive way for you to make money without having to style an actual human. Those are the ways. Monetize your content, write a book, build a membership site, create an online course. That's 4 ways to passively create income as a stylist. If any of those sound appealing to you, I want to know about it. Drop it in the comments below. Let me know a way that sounds like a fun, passive way to generate income as a stylist. I'd just be curious to know because heck, I don't know. Maybe I'll teach a future workshop on how to build an online course as a stylist. I don't know. I'm only going to do it if you're interested. Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit me with a thumbs up and please hit me with a subscribe. Listen, don't be up here watching these videos, enjoying this content, and not supporting your girl with a subscribe. All you got to do is hit the button. It's super easy. I'm just saying. I would really appreciate it. All right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.